Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. You can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you the last video of a military field telephone that Sean sent in from Tennessee. And this is the final checkout video. In some earlier videos we showed you some of the things that we had to do to get the telephone ready to get a new main board in it. And so now we're on our checkout video. We've converted the telephone. We're just going to do a final checkout. So let's go ahead and let's ring the telephone. Now we install bells in these and we install piezo buzzers. And it's not going to be real super loud. It's going to get your attention though. These are sealed telephones and they don't really have much of a way to let the sound out. And there is an original switch here that was a ring switch. And I'm going to turn it off so you can turn the ringer off. Turn it back on. So it worked out very well. And you don't want it to ring very loud anyway, because you don't want the enemy to know you're coming. You want to surprise them. So I just assumed it didn't ring real loud. Anyway, let's go ahead and let's answer the telephone. Should be able to hear dial tone. And a couple of things that we had to do in this handset. The switch is no longer in the handset to switch to talk or press to talk. We also were able to go into the handset and get into the transmit end of it and get our microphone in there that we needed to get in there, because the impedance of the old voice capsule is not the same as the microphone. So that was taken out and we got that all apart and got it all back together again, so that worked out real nice. The other thing that we want to do here is I want to go ahead and dial a number to get rid of our dial tone, and if you look at the analyzer you'll see a red light every time I talk. Hello. That indicates 100% modulation. 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, and so now what we also want to do is we want to dial our numbers. Here's a 1, 2, star, 0, and pound. Star, 0, pound. Okay, so now let's do this. Let's hang the telephone up. Pick it up one more time. And we'll do it from here. Star, 0, pound. The customer has indicated that there was some different stickers put on the keypad, but it's not real hard to figure out where your numbers are at when you're using a telephone every day, so it's not that big of a deal. And that's the way he wants it. So anyway, I'll show you another thing that we did. I like to install modular ports on the side of these. I have this telephone apart, and you can see the line cord going in, and that's where we put our modular port, so that you can plug any line cord in that you want. So I'll unplug that right now because I want to show you a look of the inside now that we have converted the telephone, and give you some kind of idea of what that looks like. And so now everything is wired up and connected, and it's been converted. So we'll put this all back together again. Well, I'll show you this this modular port. There's your modular port that's been installed, so that you can plug your line cord into. we'll get this telephone all put back together again. There's a rubber seal that goes in this telephone because it was sealed originally, and we'll get the seal back in it and get everything back together again and get this shipped off to the customer. But these are very nice telephones. We get a lot of call for these. There's a lot of people that want these, and they really turn out to be very nice telephones. I want to do one other thing. While we've got the telephone, we might as well plug it into the line. Plug both of them in. Here's the other one. Should hear dial tone. Now what we're going to do is, why don't we just call time and temperature.
Good afternoon. Need service for your car today? Call any of our service departments or make an appointment online at Offenburg.com. Today is Monday, January 25th. The time is 5:13. Current temperature 39 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area. Cloudy overnight in the low 20s.
Okay, so now everything is working. We'll ring it one final time, and then off button for the ringer. I'll turn it back on. So there you go. The telephone is finished up, and we'll get it shipped off to the customer. I appreciate working on this. We had a lot of fun working on it, and these are great telephones to convert. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. and you can reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.